Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So today's question is, what does the git bisect command help you with? First option is debugging a merge conflict. Second, identifying the commit that introduced a bug by binary search. Third one is merging two branches with conflicts. And the fourth one is reviewing changes in the commit history. Give it a try. I think you have probably guessed it because it's a bisect by binary search, right? Yeah. So answer is two. So this is interesting one. So I will just explain what is this git bisect does. So answer is identifying the commit that introduced a bug by binary search. So let's say you have a git repo and there are multiple commits. A commit A, after that someone again do some changes, a commit B, then C, then D, then E, and finally Z commit. This is a commit ID. These are all commit IDs. So when like at the time of committing A changes, and we created a app or build and we tested it thoroughly, and we found that application is working fine. Now again, and in between we didn't do any testing, means because there were like a past couple of hours, lot of changes where pushing the repo, so we didn't do uh, anything. Testing we did again on Z commit, and we found that there is a bug issue. So now question is where the issue. It can be in Z. Earlier it was working fine maybe. Since we tested last in A, it can be in B, it can be in C, it can be D, E, or F, or Z. So one option is like go one by one and test it, like Z, then check out F and do the testing. Again, check out E and then build the app and test it. So and go further and until you find that bad comment. Otherwise, another option is using Git bisect. What it does, so you do Git bisect. Bisect will you mention that this is a good comment, this is a bad comment. So it will check out this one, and then you have to tell with then you have to do testing and tell whether it's a bad or good. If you say bad, that means here bad, Z was bad, D was bad. So definitely bad was not introduced here. It was introduced somewhere in between. Okay, so you don't need to testing of this. So that way effort is saved. Then it will again divide. Then it will give you the B checked out, and then it will test it good or bad. If you say bad, definitely it's a bad one because A was good. But if you say this is a good one, definitely C is a bad one because B is a good one and D also bad one. So obviously, issue was not introduced here. It can be good and D can be the bad one. So again, we have to test this C and we need to figure it out, right? If C is good or bad, again we have to figure it out. But yeah, we saved this effort, right? So if it is like a very big, like 100, so you divide and conquer, and then effort will be very less. Like instead of testing all the 100 commits, one after another, we'll be able to identify the bad commit, who has pushed the commit which has caused the issue. Okay, so that's what it is. Let's try it out. How does it look like? And okay, so Git, this is the repo, and I will do Git by six start, Git log. So here we have how many logs are there? Let's say a bad. This first commit is not that. Like let's say this is the good commit. Second one. The second one we tested, and the last one that bug got introduced. Last commit bug got introduced. So I can do Git by sys start. Now it's in waiting for both good and bad commits. So I have to tell which is like good and bad. So I have to tell good and bad. So let's tell bad one. Bad one is the last commit. Just after Git log. This is the bad one. Okay, waiting for good commit. Bad commit is no. So Git by set good. Good one is the second one is the second one. So it has picked up something in between this 60 and a new function. If I go up, add a new function will be somewhere here. Yeah, this is the one in between, right? Middle. So it has picked up this commit, it has picked up. If I say this one is a good, then it will again go up and check our one. If I say this is bad, then all these our commits won't be checked. Here it will pick up something in between. So let's say it's a good one. This added new function is a good one. So bad commit is somewhere in between here, above this and uh, below this, right? Below this. So this is, let's say it's a good one. So I will say this is good. Let's say it's a very good one. Good one. So now again it picked up this added mm. So added mm. Yeah. Here are a new function. So up added mm one it picked up. So it skipped this like two. It middle one it picked up between this bad and good. And slowly this will it will narrow down the choices and then pinpoint the bad commit, which caused the problem, which introduced the bug in the code. So I hope you got the idea, what the concept, why it's and it can be automated fully. Like here, it's taking out the code. Like let's say if I run the git log, you can see that added email. Git log will show the top git log. The added email. So it's taken out that commit code, and now you can run. You can build the app and test it. And if you find the issue, then you tell Git bisect whether it's a bad or good. And the whole thing can be automated. Let's say here you run that Git bisect as to a script and then run the automation. Automation can be like unit testing or any other automated testing. Result will be pass or fail. That is good or bad. That good bad you transfer back to Git bisect. Then again it picks up the next one, bisect it and picks up the next one. Then again, you pass good, bad, automatically script, and it goes on in a loop, and then it figures out which is the bad code. Manually also we can do that. Manually also we can, but we need to one by one. We have to go through like 100, which is the middle one. All these things will be there. So Git bisect is taking care of all that. Hope you like the video. So please like, share the video, and also join my WhatsApp channel. You will find in the comment. Also join my LinkedIn page. Every day I'm posting new questions, interview questions. So please check that out. Thank you for watching the video.